Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to copy and paste tables from Chatgpt into Google Docs. If you want to transfer structured data like tables or charts from Chatgpt into a document, we will walk you through each step so you can do it quickly and without losing any formatting. Now, let's get started. In your Chatgpt, you have already prompted a sample table for Google Docs. To copy the table, simply click the Copy Table option, as shown here. Click Copy Table. Then, go to your Google Docs and right-click on the document and select Paste. Once the table appears, highlight the entire table. With it highlighted, right-click and go to Table Options. From here, we can adjust the color to our preference. For example, we can choose green and then change the border thickness to 0.5. As we can see, the changes are applied. We can also set additional styles and configure the thickness and colors based on our preferences for the table. And that's it. We have successfully copied and pasted a table from Chatgpt into Google Docs. This makes it easy to build reports, assignments, or presentations with structured data.